welcome everyone back to Uncertain. Okay. Okay, I don't know. Fix my mic. There we go. Let's go here. This is hamburger, Benedict, jewelry sale, 7-Eleven. They changed to a more sale. On my way. Just got here. Okay, wait for me. Oh, that's random. So, is it legit? What? The rumors? Louis and Mike? What about them? Oh, come on, dude. Just say yes or no. You went to her game yesterday, right? Yeah. You shouldn't skip practice. Can't do that. DB is alive, dude. So yes or no? Neither confirming or denying. God damn it. So yeah, good night. Nah, hang loose. Lots of fish in the sea. Like, Alex. Joke, obviously, never mind. Bye. Sweet dreams. But let me just, yo, Marky. What's up, Dingleby? Please drop the wire. Oh, Mark, have you heard of the rumors? Hate to tell you this, but it's real. Yeah, I know. How? I was the third wheel yesterday. Oh. That must have hurt big time. Big sad, Marky. Setting up the you found me for you right now. We gotta get you a girlfriend fast. I think that's the right platform for that. Plus, I've been telling you, I just like her as a friend. Okay, that's all. Thank you, bye. Hey, I wish your granny well. Oh, thanks. Pajamas? Convenience store and the coziest places to sleep. I venture all to always be the most authentic version of myself. So this is what you get. Yeah, sure. But really, what were you thinking when you put that on? Oh, this? Not a fan, are you? That's not what I'm saying. I mean, but just never leave the house. Come on, Mark. Don't let your dual lifestyle spoil you. Pajamas are so comfortable. I just want to wear them all the time. If you say so. They're really the symbol of freedom in the clothing industry. You see, with this, I feel like I want to fly, sway, and be free. Wow, how compelling. Man, nothing impresses you. Some things do, like refusing to wash your clothes for days, just 'cause your crush bumped into it. How do you even? Okay, that's it. I'm out. This won't be a genuine talk without me pulling your leg. But that's all you're gonna get for today. But that's unfair. There's nothing to make fun out of you, 'cause you're so interesting. Why, thank you. There's gotta be something. Anyway, what did you want to talk about? First of all, the rumors. Is it is it legit my future wife's taken? That shit spreads like wildfire, huh? Of course. It's the universal crush getting a boyfriend. Who happens to be a universal crush as well? Ew, I despise your taste in men. Why him, Lewis? The dream is over. So what did she tell you? Nothing of interest to you. Come on, spill the beans. So with Lois cross out, the lead that leaves you with no one to crush on, right? Whoa, did you really guess? Except Jaggy. Fuck it. Hey, at least some of the new students are out. Oh shit, you're right. The news are even there. You crushes. Woot. You thinking what I'm thinking? Roger. Stalker mode activated. Let's see. Dear teachers, please inform of our two new transfer students. Blah blah blah, useless shit. Blah. 9 Pro will have a welcome one new student. Hey, that's ours. Just one? I hate life. And her name is Kate Corpus. It's a girl, though. Sounds crushable. Alright, moving on. Where's 9 Sapphire will also have a welcome one student. And their name is Nicole. Nicole G. Leksamana. Impressive. Louis got it right. Romans are mills are on another level these days. Mark? Mark? Shit. You're always brain dead. But never like that. What's wrong with you? Nothing. It's just that name sounds familiar. For some reason. Yeah, whatever. Nice joke. Let me guess. You're gonna scare me again? About how these girls were kinda during World War One? I have enough of that. Something fresh, please. No, it's not. Never mind. I'm going home when you lapse on me again. Agreed. Let's get back to stalking. Alright, detective. Let's see what this Kate got. No results found. Nada. What about Katie? Maybe her internet name is Katie. Zilf. What about Katrin? Go ahead. Or I surrender. There's no helping out. Let's try everyday alternative names. Screw this. Our new classmate must be a fool of an introvert or a tech illiterate in this day and age. We'll see her soon anyways. Fair enough. No point in banging our heads against the wall. You know, we still got one more. Oh well. Crossing my fingers for the last one. What's her name again? Nicole G. Laksamana. Whoa, Mark. You pay for those memory training apps. I fell for the free trial. There. One Nicole Laksamana coming right up. Here she is. Hey, she's our age. And I think I like her. What? What? She's charming. Oh, this one's cute. I wonder where this is. Her looks will grow on me for sure. She might just be my next Louise. What do you say? Mark, why the hell does it feel like I've known them? I've known her for so long. Could this be whatever Louise we're talking about? Alright, that's it. I'm out of here. No, don't. It's just that, well, she died during the Great War, then resurrected by a satanic cult. It's just, yeah, she looks nice. Could be one of your future wives. Well, now this just started to at her like a creep. She couldn't be yours instead. No, seriously. If, if ever she's smart as Louise, then go for it. Really? Heck yeah. Fell to the bottom and here I am rising right back. Shit, it's Mom. Gotta take this. Hey Mom. What? No, please no. But Mom. Alright, yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I will. Just give me a few more minutes. Yeah, whatever. Bye. What's the deal? You know, moms being moms. Like I just came here, and now I gotta go home? Oh, well, to be fair, it's kinda running late now. Sure. Lucky you, your mom's not home. But your mom, she must be worried, you know? I don't care. After all, I am home. Hold on a second, it's raining. You hear that? It's always raining in the Philippines. Whoa. Why? Were you born yesterday? It's been a while, hasn't it? Yeah. And now it's pouring down. Like it's reaching out to me. You're gonna catch the hole. Thanks. Okay, speak up. Did you take a shower today? I'm good. But the water at home stinks. I'm sick of it. You're acting freaky today. What's getting into you? I could say the same to you, you know. Yeah, why do you look so impressed? Damn it, Mark. Have you forgotten? I told you, I'm Plovdiphile. Well, do you what now? It ends with file. Yes. Um, you like... You like the rain getting wet? Sorry, it sounded funnier in my head. No, dumbass, I love the rain. Then I must have forgotten. Hey, try this out. Reach out your hand. Like this. And do you feel that? Yeah, it's rain. The raindrops. Feels them slide down your wrist gracefully. And you never understand how a pluviophile admires this. Since when do you get this word king? You dickhead. Say, have you ever wondered how butterflies fly under the rain? Oh, they don't. Right. They're powerless against those one part. They just hide wherever they can. You know what? They can't find a place to hide. They they get tattered or even die. I can tell you were listening to Miss Alma. Biology was the shit, man. So, should we go home now? Gotta study for exams tomorrow, you know. Liar. Gonna study tomorrow for exams, I mean. Liar. Better sleep all day. Attaboy. I just remember, where's Riddle? Is he coming? No. Missed the memo? No, the exams won't let him out. He's missing yet again. God, I wish he was here. Then we push... Then we'll push each other out of the umbrella. The riddle's face, the riddle's face will fall flat on the puddle. Then I bet you get soaked in rain. Nuh-uh, I bet you clumsy trip in one splash. Though I won't recommend pajamas for that. Hey, yeah? If you dickheads, if you ever run away from me, I won't ever forgive you. You got that? On behalf of Riddle, copy princess. Now, what's wrong? Safe, dang it, cat. You didn't have to pull me into this. Hey, exam results are out. Can't wait to see which one says I flew. Okay, let's see. 29. Wait, am I not floating this one? Which thankfully. Okay, nice, but which did I flip this one? Huh? Seems to be good to be true. Guessing 38. No, that's right. Almost there. When pig is fly, when pig is fly. Mark, there you go. It's over 30. Don't tell me it's 36 again. Yep. Whoa, is it really mine? 36. 34. Yep. Cool, but where's the one that's below 30? 35. Nope. Let's go. Mark. Ah, there it is. Of course. Couldn't go without a flunky word score. Guess I'd better make it up to Mrs. Flores. Yeah, not bad. That's just a fluke. Wait, what was that? Oh, the Pianist Club. Oh, this is chord wrong. The notes. They're lost in hazy memory. How to rearrange them? No, that's not how I remember it. Try to remember, please. He's such a lovely, talented kid. Do you like it? Focus. Concentrate. Oh my god. What the hell? Going all on this piano thing, huh? Though, you might want to tone it down, if you don't want to look like a possessed idiot. You didn't have to do that. God, you really gave me a heart attack. Poor guy. You wait, cat. I'm telling you. Just look at those sunken eyes. You absolutely need that energy surge. And whose fault do you think that is? Well, don't you accuse me of your wrongdoing? I told you we go early today and still you chose to sleep late over some lame-ass memo. But who's the one responsible for dragging me into this stupid plan? Ah, right. I wonder who. Don't you? Hey, look. You still haven't answered my question. The results are out. Let's see. Just get enough sleep next time, please. God knows what other creepy shit you be doing all day. Oh, I was. Forget it. And we'll be there any moment now, then they be like, whoa, Mark, is that you? This early? Ugh. Looks like you need another scare to wake you up. I got a 13 on art. That a third scare would just be overkill. Are you sure? I'm wide awake now. Don't you? Worry. If you say so. What you got there? Well... What the fuck? It's decent. Nothing surprising. Your definition of decent is what's surprising here. Well, unlike you, my bar is higher. To be fair, my bar is higher than yours. Mine's just upside down. Well, I guess I can live with this. Wow. You don't have to play humble with me, you know. Huh? Well, guys, look at this. What do you think of my disgraceful scores? Let me see. The usual 30, 34 is barely passing. Maybe you just got lucky this time and got 36. I said, look at my scores. Fine. What? 30? 30 what? Uh-huh, you saw that, right? Humbly, I did get 36. What have you done? Were you sitting next to Louis? Did you did you just cheat? I wouldn't. I'd never commit such a crime. I'd unfortunately finally tried my hand at actual studying. How did you study? When? I don't mean to brag, but it took me just 2 good hours of studying without distraction. All just a day before the exams. No biggie. Shit, man. Remember what I told you last time about the sleeping genius in my noggin? Yeah, and just like that, like a phoenix rising from the ashes, it has awakened from its eternal slumber. That's it. Playtime's over. This is a fluke. Teachers were forgiven. Teachers were forgiven. Exams were just too easy. No, they weren't. Period. Hell no. I'd argue it wasn't easy at all. Oh really? Yeah, it was. Speaking of flukes, does a stupid plan actually work? Not yet. Lie low and keep it down. Remember, we have to establish a strong connection with these two at the soonest. You aren't kidding. New students do come in early. Newbies like her will want to attract and stack attention so they can mingle as much as they can before classes start. And you really think that? Being her first new friend is worth sleeping early for. That's correct. You get higher chances of winning her heart. I read that online, by the way. So why the heck did I get dragged into this if you just about you? Duh. Cause you were the backup plan. Wait, what? I wasn't a part of the plan. Quiet. Now what? So much they want to attract attention and mingle. Trust me, you might be a meek one. I've seen this kind before. Quiet as a mouse, but once you get to know her, well, you'll be surprised. We'll see about that. Oh my, she's pretty. Did you see that? Yo. And I can also see where this is headed. I know, right? We'll get together and become good friends. Then I'll ask her on a date. Then we watch the stars. Then do whatever they do in the movies. Hate to break to you, but this isn't Hollywood. It's now or never, man. Here I go. Great. Hey there. Kate, right? Off to a great start. I'm Catherine Joyce, but you can just call me Cat. I'm the friendliest one you ever meet, as you can probably tell. Your name's Kate, right? Kinda sounds like mine, you know. What a coincidence. I'm sure that means we'll be good friends. Yes, I know that feeling, my friend. Sucks transferring to a new school, I know. You get used to it for sure. We're all nice around here. Especially me. No wonder you haven't a girlfriend yet. But then I'm the one to talk. So, welcome to Liamson Integrated School. This is Class 9 Pearl. Cat at your service. You must be the silent type, huh? I'm the popular opposite of the silent type if you keep talking. So it would be nice. It would be very nice of you if you keep that mouth shut. Thank you. But I said thank you, didn't I? So, welcome to Hollywood, eh? What's the problem? Got your tongue? Or should I say, Kate got your tongue? You dickhead. That shitty joke did not help at all. I've been stripped off all my dignity. Didn't you see? I did, and it was fun. Well, let's see who's laughing now. What the hell are you doing? I told you, you're the backup plan. You said anything about that? Just face it. Now go ahead and talk to her. It's not like I have any duty to lose anyway. Uh, sorry for the commotion back there. That was just my friend who's too friendly. She just does sometimes. Look, I don't want to meddle at your affairs, but I just hope you have a good time here. And felt like home, classmate. As expected, I'm talking to a wall. This is pointless, I'm out. Wait, go ahead. You're free to make a comeback. Did someone tell you? Tell me what? About the, never mind. Uh, wanna talk about it? No, you may leave now. But we just talk, kind of. I'm not fond of all this yapping. Okay? Name's Kate. If that helps you shut your mouth. Oh, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you. I guess. And that's our new classmates, folks. Hooray! Man, I don't know what just happened back there. But that ain't up here. I'm the social butterfly here, not you. I'd think twice about that title if I were you. But, but just how? She even introduced herself, if you could even call it that. Now that, now that this mission has failed, would you please let me take a nap? Walmart, is that you? This early? Put a sauce in it, Ryan. Hey dude, that must be Katrina, right? What's up, Katrina? Whoa, you two cat? Dude, why you guys come in so early? Cat? Hello? Yo, cat, got your tongue? Ah, shut up. Wake up, sleepyhead. It's lunchtime. Don't you want to play piano again? Uh, finally. Rise and shine. Is all you sleep did you get? One measly hour? Make it two. It's a good thing you got lucky today, didn't you? What? You slept through 3 classes in a row. You know, just like Ginger over there. I did? What? Why didn't anyone wake me up? Well, we tried, but it was no use. You were in a deep sleep, and we couldn't get Sleeping Beauty up, and no one wanted to kiss you. So yeah. What did the teacher say? They didn't want to kiss you either. I'm sorry. Am I kissing my grades goodbye? That's where you get lucky, man. They didn't give a damn. At least for now. What a relief. I swear, just one more warning from Mr. Alfonso. And I'm out of here. He was in a surprisingly good mood. They say he got his ex-girlfriend back. Good for him. What about Mr. Flores? What are you talking about? Arts after lunch break. Hey, speaking of, what did you paint? Paint what? You know, for our poster project. Don't be clean. Oh, remember this. Shit. I know, it's cliche, but man, I did all on my own. And I'm so proud of it. What do you think? I think, I think I'm in trouble. There's no way. Ramming this is a flat out impossible. I have to, or I'm getting kicked out for real. Say, how many minutes do I have left? 7 minutes. Are you crazy? I've always been. I know you're crying, but this is just insanity. Hey. Just gotta dash away up a supply store. I can do this. Don't tell me I have to jump. Sir. Oh my god. I hate life. Okay, I'm waiting.